This Jade Roller is my best friend. One of the most popular beauty trends right now is jade rolling, but it's actually been around for a really long time. In China, women used to use these jade rollers on their faces to promote circulation and drain excess fluids from their faces. If you have one too many drinks, one too many shrimp cocktails, you're gonna wake up with a puffy face, and this is perfect for that. I like to pop it into the freezer overnight so it's extra cold, although even on its own it has a really cooling feeling to it. After washing my face, I'll pair it with an oil or a serum. This big side I use on my cheeks, I'll use it along my jawline. Hopefully that'll give it a little bit of a contour. And there's a smaller side that you can use underneath your eyes and also above, because that's where I tend to get a lot of fluid retention. And I roll in upwards and outwards motion. Honestly, it's so relaxing.